Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm in Gran Canaria. So another change. Again, I've got the FujiFilm x100vi with me. Settings are pretty usual. f8, 500th of a second and auto ISO. We're going to see what sort of shots we can get today. Just get a couple of warm-up shots. I thought this was quite a good one with a chap just looking at his phone. Now I think I'm going to get a look-up shot here. Just focus in, and that's nice. I like that one. Just the shapes of the windows, etc. Now I'm just looking back here, and I quite like the fact that there's a reflection in that building on the right here. I thought that was nice with the sky in the background. Just another warm-up shot with a bit of light coming through that shadow. Just going to get this family walking into that light pocket just there. Just looking into the shop window. Just a nice random one. Just thought I liked that one. I'm going to get this chap here. And there he is, just walking through that light pocket. So I've just got a cyclist coming along here. I'll get him in there. Happy with that one. Just one out to sea with that chap in the background. One on the centre and one sort of to the left. Get this couple here. Here, I just love the shadows of these trees. I've just got to, let's put it into landscape, take one out. I'm really happy with that one. This couple, I think we'll get this couple down here. He's just getting the sand out of his feet. And here we're playing volleyball by the looks of it. We'll just get one here. Get the ball as it comes past. Yeah, I like that with the tree as a sort of shadow. Ah, look at this puddle. Let's get one down here. See if we can get a reflection. I've got to bend down low here. Yep, I like that. I've sort of got the tops of their body in the puddle and the bottoms going walking past. Random chap on his own there, and we'll use this as a bit of a leading line through, like the little walkway takes you right through to the people and then the nice background. Happy with that. I've got another leading line here. I think that works okay. I'm taking you through to that chap. Love the scene here. I'm going to take this across, get the mountains in the background. That's nice, I like that. Get these boats and the blue sun loungers on the left, but I'm going to put this one in black and white because I think that just looks better, especially with those mountains in the background. Just a random set of legs there with all the shadows and light. I like that. Chap with a hat, really nice. I've got some more leading lines here, these shadows, just taking your eyes through to that couple, which is nice. Now we've got a statue of a fisherman. Let's get this chap here. I'll use these shadows again as leading lines. I think that works quite well. Yep, I'm happy with that one. Again, I've got the mountains in the background. Just get this boat. Few boats out here, little tiny boats. Just adjust my settings. Nice, I've got the sun coming towards me there. But again, I like that. Can we get some waves? Let's see what we can do here. Oh, okay, that one was okay. I like the dark rocks and the white waves. Let's get another one here. Yeah, happy with that. I'm going to try one this way. Oh, that's okay. That's quite nice. Oh, fisherman. Let's get this fisherman. I've got the handrail as a leading line, taking you down to the fisherman. Oh, now I've got a shadow. I love all these leading lines today. Shadow and light. Just a random chap sitting there on his own. Just get that as I'm walking past. It's all have come out okay. I love these umbrellas on the left and the walkway just leading your eyes through. So there's a bit of street photography in Gran Canaria. If you like that video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you on the next trip out.